This is part 26 of what's inside the roadmap course, but you will want to save this video for later because I'm going to go over 13 different topics that are covered under module 25. How to build a written digital product. Now, for the people who are bashing that you have to resell the course, well, this is covered on module 25 out of 31, so you might want to stop being an idiot. Anyways, introduction and statistics, determine your topic, searching for profitable product ideas, how to create a standout product, determining your product type, product layout, how to price your digital product, how to create it with Canva, how to create it with Gamma, one of my favorites, how to save your product, selling options, legal documents needed, and then final steps. So there you go. You now know what's covered under this big, huge module 25. Super important module. Stay tuned for part 27. And once again, my name is Rico. I'm a content creator. I use AI for a lot of stuff. It's really exciting and it makes me money.